So got Suzuki King Quad here, and problem is making some noise in the drive belt system. So I'm gonna take the cover off and have a look what is going on. Maybe the belt is worn, or we'll see. Or clutch. So yeah, I got the plastic off, footstep off. It's pretty easy and simple. Okay. I got small pieces in here. That means the belt, I can't understand, it's old belt or it's new belt. Look at all this. Look all that. So point is, I can see damaged bits on this belt. So guys, if you're changing the belt, please clean your fucking old belt bits. Look at all that. Probably what happened, I think, who was replacing the belt first time, because I can see it's new. All the bits went down in the pipe, in the breather pipe, and now it came back. Look all this here. So yeah, if you're doing the job, do the way like should be. All the dust and everything on here. So guys, don't make mess. Yeah, that's about this video. So that's what was making sound, because the bits was sticking between everywhere. And yeah, the point is, if you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. So we're gonna take everything off and gonna clean proper way. And see how many bits we're gonna get from there. Okay, that's the one to go. Let's get a bigger one. Okay, take this off. So nice, guys, look all this. And here, bits in there. Okay, I'm gonna take the hose and blow everything up. all the dust and things. Yeah. Look at all this. So yeah, that's a short video about the noise in the drive belt system. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Have fun.